Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge electric Mini Cooper only ways. Open the charge port, remove the cap, and unlock the connector immediately. Choose the right charger. Use Level 2 at home for daily needs or CCS public chargers for quicker top-ups. Align the plug, push until it clicks, then verify charging status on the dash or app and set a charging schedule if desired. Home Level 1 charging uses a standard outlet and works for slow overnight top-ups when you have time. Level 2 chargers provide faster 5 to 11 kW charging and are ideal for daily routines and shorter overnight fills. DC fast charging gives the quickest refill on long trips, but may be limited by the car's acceptance and should be used judiciously to preserve long-term battery capacity. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more EV tips. Quick recommendation: Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite pairs nicely for road trip downtime while your Mini charges. Check the description for the link, specs, and other deals we mentioned. Thanks for the support and patience. Grab a snack if you need one. Now let's get back to the video. Precondition the battery before fast charging by starting the route or using the car's feature to improve charging speed and reduce stress. Aim to keep daily charge between 20% and 80% for optimal battery life while reserving full charges for longer drives. Regularly check connectors and seals, route the cable without sharp bends, and schedule charging during off-peak hours when possible to save money and support the grid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.